हेलो एवरीवन। एवरी संडे लीगल डिक्टेशन का टेस्ट होगा 12 बजे। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स लीगल डिक्टेशन की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं किसी भी कोर्ट की, वो अपना स्किल टेस्ट जरूर दें। आप इस डिक्टेशन को लिखें और टाइप करके सेंड करें। इवनिंग 6 o'clock तक सेम डे कंपेयर करके आपको फाइल सेंड कर दी जाएगी। और कोई भी स्टूडेंट फोटो क्लिक करके सेंड ना करें, सिर्फ डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल सेंड करें। ऑल द बेस्ट। स्टार्ट। These two writ petitions concern the right to shelter of homeless persons in urban areas. Stop. These writ petitions were filed in the year 2003, but no effective orders would be passed till 2014, as all the states did not file their responses and status reports. Stop. On 4/9/2014, Mr. Prashant Bhushan, counsel for the petitioners in writ petition number 572 of 2003, placed the scheme of shelters for urban homeless issued by the Government of India, Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation before this court. Stop. The said scheme refers to the National Urban Livelihoods Mission. Stop. The mission was launched on 24/9/2013 to reduce the poverty and vulnerability of urban poor households by enabling them to access gainful self-employment and skilled wage employment opportunities through building strong grassroots level institutions for the poor, which would result in an appreciable improvement in their livelihoods on a sustainable basis. Stop. The mission document also states that providing shelters equipped with essential services to the urban homeless in a phased manner is a top priority. Stop. The location and design of shelters and the funding pattern of the scheme of shelters for urban homeless is discussed in detail in the mission document. Stop. The operational guidelines for the scheme of shelters for urban homeless were issued in December 2013 by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation. Stop. These guidelines provide the details of the norms and types of shelters and the facilities to be provided at the shelters. Stop. As per the scheme, Government of India would fund 75% of the cost of construction of the shelters and the remaining 25% would be contributed by the states and union territories. Stop. In case of special category states, the central government would fund 90% and the states would bear the remaining 10%. Stop. The urban local bodies were given the responsibility of monitoring and evaluation of the scheme. Stop. The states and union territories were directed to file affidavits regarding the status of implementation of the scheme by an order of this court dated 4/9/2014. Stop. If the states did not fully implement this scheme, they were directed to state the time frame during which they would do so. Stop. While directing the Ministry of Housing and Urban Poverty Alleviation to explore the ways and means of providing temporary shelters to the needy persons. Stop.